Welcome to my channel. So what I have right here, I have some turkey thighs and turkey wings that I'm about to go ahead and put in this good crock pot. You know what I mean? Let it do its thing for like 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. So what I'm finna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Toss this bad boy in here. Boom. Toss each one of them in there. Okay, there we go right there. Boom. Good turkey thighs. They got some thighs on them. Look at that. And I also let them soak in some water and vinegar overnight. You know what I mean? So they're nice and clean. So that's my little marinade. Just let it soak overnight. Let me wash my hands real quick. Okay, there we go right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and pour this 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. Oh, yes sir. 4 cups of water. There we go right there. 4 cups of water. My bad. Now we have right here, we have some minced garlic. I say about 1, 2, boom. All right, 3 spoons of minced garlic, tablespoons. Boom. So now it's time for the herbs. So what I have right here, I have some thyme leaves. Boom. Hit it with the fresh herbs right there. I have some chopped chives. Not too much of that anyway. I have some Italian seasoning. You can't go wrong with that Italian seasoning. And I also have some garlic powder. Yes, sir. A nice garlic. Come on out. Don't be shy. Okay. One more sprinkle. Boom. There we go. Boom. Okay. I have some chili powder right here. Boom. Nice chili powder. That's like 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And I also have some black pepper. That's like a teaspoon and a half of black pepper. And for the last, I got this good Tony's. You know what I mean? That Creole seasoning. Boom. There we go. That's it right there. You know what I mean? So what I'm fixing to do now, I'm going to put a little more water in here. Since I'm working with one hand, I'm going to go ahead and put probably like 2 more cups of water. So here we go right here, 2 cups of water. And what I have is a 1/2 tablespoon. And I'm going to get some of this cornstarch. I'm going to put 1. 2, 3. There we go right there. 4. Boom. Alright. There we go. Because I want the juice to thicken up a little bit. Not much, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to make no gravy, but I want that juice to thicken up. So like I do right here, go ahead and mix it with this water. You know what I mean? So you don't have to worry about no chunks. None of that. Chunks of cornstarch. Well, like I do the same thing with my flour. You don't got to worry about no chunks of flour. None of that. Just mix it up. You know what I mean? And I also have some smoked applewood seasoning. So I'm gonna put some of that in there. Well, mix it. Make sure everything mixed with the water. So there's 2 cups of water right here. The applewood seasoning smells good. Okay. Boom. Pour that bad boy in there. Like that there. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. There we go right there. You know what I mean? It's all come together. It's gonna shrink up. Everything gonna fall in there. It's gonna make a little flavor. And man, we making it happen. You know, I gotta keep my family and friends posted with a cool little video. You know what I mean? I took some days off. Now your boy back on. You know, Super Bowl Sunday coming up, so I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for this Super Bowl Sunday. I might go live. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. I might go live, though. I've been thinking about it. So what I'm finna do now, put the lid on this, let it do its thing, put my timer on for like 5.5 hours, but I'm gonna put it on for 6 hours, but I say like 5.5 hours. That's about it. So we'll go ahead and do its thing, and I'll be back in 2 hours. So here we go right here, 2.5 hours in, and that's how we looking. And when I say this smell good, man, this smell good. Look at that right there. We probably need only like 2 more hours or so, and that's all we need, about 2 more hours. And this will be ready to go in the oven for the rest of the time. So after 2 more hours, 4 hours, then I'm just gonna throw it in the oven, throw some of this juice on there for the rest of the time for like another 1.5 hours. So give it a good 5.5 hours. You know what I mean? Boom. 4 hours in the crock pot and 1.5 hours in the oven. Probably not even that long. But that's how we looking right there. It's smelling good in here. Like, when I say smelling good, it's smelling good. You know what I mean? That's how your boy doing it. Right here in my good kitchen. You know what I mean? #1 crock pot. Alright, so I'll be back in another couple hours. Here we go right here. I say we don't even have to put this bad boy in the oven. You know what I mean? That was just a little extra that I was going to do with it, you know. But we don't even have to put it in the oven at all. Look at them. That's them good turkey thighs. Look at them. You know what I mean? Good turkey thighs right there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Nice turkey wings. Yeah. You know what I mean? It want to fall apart. Look at it. It's hanging on. Your boy doing the stizzle in his kitchen in a real way. Yes, sir. I ain't playing. So I'm fixing to go ahead and get this whole dinner nice and ready. I'm going to put this bad boy on a plate, and I'll be back. So here we go right here. Your boy made it happen. For real. In a real way. You know what I mean? That's that nice white rice with the turkey wings. You know what I mean? Fresh out that good crock pot. Man, that crock pot make wonders. You hear me? It work them too. So your boy made it happen. Did this good dinner on time. Wife home, she about to chow down. All that good stuff, you know what I mean? So I want to keep family and friends updated on this good cooking in my good kitchen. You hear me? You know what I mean? I ain't no top chef or nothing like that. I just know how to cook a little bit. Just a little bit, you know what I mean? But your boy made it happen. Here we go right here. You know, how it taste, bud?
I ate my whole plate.
Okay, she ate a whole plate. She made it happen.
It's good, baby.
So your boy made it happen for real in this good kitchen of mine. You know what I mean? And I appreciate everybody supporting my channel, there for me, watching my videos, all y'all comments. I appreciate all that, you know what I mean? In a real way. So your boy gonna keep them coming just like this, you know what I mean? So I have 2 videos coming out tonight. For real. So your boy made it happen. So I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.